Hi there. Welcome to SWIFTEC. In this video tutorial we will show how to create ticket in case of firmware not supported. Load file by drag and drop, or use import option. This is where you choose the file format, which SWIFTEC recognizes automatically. This is where you fill project properties of the project. In this case all information was detected automatically by our ECU detection module. Creating project. The file is ready to be processed, by just clicking on Save option. Here you need to choose if you want to correct checksum or not. SWIFTEC will show you the available modules for your file. In this case we going to process Readiness Calibration module. Read all information displayed here. As you can see, SWIFTEC could not apply the solution. And that can be because of two reasons. Firmware revision not supported, or because file is already modified. Even not processing the module, the saving option will appear anyway, because might include other changes made by user. Now, we need to go to our support page, and create a new ticket, to get solution compatible with firmware version you need. Go to Tickets section and click and create a ticket. After you need to select ticket category. In this case you should select SWIFTEC category to be able to request support for SWIFTEC modules. Choose the module you need assistance from our support. In this case the module you need select is Readiness Calibration module. Here, you need to tell us the reason why you want to create a ticket. I got a firmware revision that is not supported by the existing solution. I want to report an existing solution that works incorrectly. I want to request to develop a completely new solution. In this case, we will choose the first option. After just need to fill vehicle and control unit details, and write short information to our support team understand the situation. Also need to attach the original file. Click and send a ticket. Now, since the ticket was created successfully, you can see all details related to your request. And now it's just wait for our ticket analyst. The answering time will depend of the pack you have purchased. Full pack have the highest priority. Soon our ticket analyst check your file, they will reply to you with the fixed solution. You must test solution, and give the feedback to our team. Together we will be much more precise and reach more stable solutions. Thanks for watching.